Well, Michael, these survivors, they're seeking a means by which they can bring a lawsuit against their abusers or organizations they believe may have some responsibility. For a number of reasons, a window has not happened, either because of a lack of political will or because, in one case, a mistake was made by the Department of State that scuttled the entire process. Either way, survivors say they were too young to know that they had a limited amount of time to file a lawsuit, and now they're asking for that 2-year window to be passed so that they can sue no matter when the abuse happened.
It's about just holding these institutions accountable and just making them realize that they've hurt a lot of people.
Stephen Leisure says the former teacher who abused him as a teenager may have died, but he and many other survivors cannot bring suit against the institutions they believe also face some responsibility. And he's frustrated that a proposed 2-year window to file those lawsuits may face political headwinds.
It's just making us victims over and over again, that this is just held up in bureaucracy for no reason. Like, it's a bipartisan, people like the bill, there's no reason that they shouldn't pass.
If the first leg of a constitutional amendment can be passed this year, the 2-year window could be voted on against next year and then head to voters after that.
If we don't pass it this year, the earliest they could see it is 2029. And I don't know why we would find it acceptable for an additional 2-year delay of our own creation.
But a top Senate Republican told me in January that they want to see another measure passed alongside the 2-year window.
We've thought from the beginning that the electorate should have the opportunity to address not only statute of limitations, but also voter ID.
Some organizations have also raised concern about public school taxpayers facing the brunt of their districts being sued over claims related to abuse. However, Leisure says a lot of survivors are not in this necessarily for the money. He says they want their day in court. They want to hold their abusers accountable and be able to tell their stories. In Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.